Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're out here at Sergio Fab. I know a lot of you guys that follow the channel have gotten a little bit of interest in Sergio's car. So he's been quietly over here slaving away on this thing, doing some upgrades to it. Actually, some pretty big upgrades, as you guys are going to see here in a minute. But we got another project. Sergio has another project out here at the house that he's working on right now. I wanted to show you guys. It's a it says G8, right?
Yeah.
G8 that he's working on out here. He's 4-linked it already. He's got a cage that he's putting in it right now, and you can see there's the 9-inch in there. It's got the 4-link, all the bracing and everything under there. So he's been yeah, it's pretty much back aft. He's been slaving away on this thing. But to the main attraction here, we got the oh, that's for the G8.
Looks alright.
It looks pretty good, especially once you put some paint on it.
Yep, yeah, especially this one. See? So you can remove it.
Mm-hmm. That's the same way mine came.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
So you won't see it, so.
You can take it off whenever you're...
Yeah.
Like if you don't have room in the trailer, you can take it off.
Yep.
Or when you're street driving it, so the cops don't get you.
I think you can still, no, because it's right.
Dude, that looks good.
Yeah, so. All I gotta do, I thought about just cutting the sign. Look at it, see it?
Yeah.
It's just an idea. You know, have it cut.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not, I'm not sure. I'm gonna talk to the owner first.
Yeah.
Before I do that.
Man, it looks good.
Yeah, so.
It looks professional.
You're alright.
Yeah, that's good, man.
So, there she is.
We got her. All right. Let's see what's different on this thing. So last time y'all seen this, it had a single 80 on it. What's that peeking out the side right there? Huh. I wonder what could be under the hood now.
Yeah.
Oh, man. I need to get around to the front of it. Let's see. Let's see if we can see this little guy in here. All right. There's one. Where's the other one? Oh, there's the other one right there. So Sergio went to twin 7875s.
VS Racing.
VS Racing, and it's still got the same 5.3 in it, but a whole lot has changed under the hood. So we're gonna. You need some help?
No, I got it.
All right. She's got a new name too. Man, look at that, dude. It looks good. So you did, Sergio tubed the front end, made his own shock towers and everything.
Yep, custom.
That metal on top actually looks really good.
Yeah, I figured I painted it. The only reason I did it because I forgot about the hole, and went with the plasma cutter, and I'm, my hand was a little shaking, and what? I say yeah.
Oh, you cut it a little bit?
Yeah, but I'll probably end up fixing it. Probably just make an all new plate and replace it. So at least I know it will work. The way, it's fixable. So.
And the camera and everything's good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. I didn't mess with this side. That's the only one I was messing with.
Oh, this side was the one that was
off?
off?
The one was off. So, camber. So.
There it is, though. We got the twin 7875s. Twin air-to-water intercoolers. There's
Over
actually
1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, there's that. They're sandwiched together right there, but Sergio's got them wrapped up in the insulation. And then you can see where they both come up right here. So it's the 3.5 and then a 3-inch that comes up.
Yeah, one is smaller because
yeah, we ordered a second one and it had different inlet sizes on it. They're the same.
I should have welded 3.5, but I figured I don't have enough room to do it. But it's 1,000 horsepower anyway. So,
yeah, I mean it's gonna when they have pressure on them.
Yeah, and I got a new pump too. So
yeah, we got a Bosch for like a 0304 Cobra Bosch pump for the water pump.
It flows really good.
Sergio milled the heads this time,
and I'll put some good head bolts.
Good head. We got the what are they?
Earl.
Oh, the Earl's Performance.
Yeah.
Chrome Moly head bolts. So it was running stock head bolts before, so it's got a little bit better sealing on the heads now. Yeah. The only unknown is how well these turbos are going to spool.
We'll find out tonight.
Yeah, I think. What'd you say they were making, like 4 pounds?
4 pounds off the line, only on what, 3,400 RPM?
3,400 RPM. So I think if you leave on like 4,000 RPM.
So it should leave 10 pounds. And I got a 10-pound spring, so yeah, she looks clean now. I'll wash it. I took my wiper.
Yeah, I did too. I took my wipers out. It took like 10 pounds off my
No,
car.
it's still there. I just.
I see. I took mine out.
Oh, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna keep it. I still got it.
There's not a part of this car you haven't touched at this point.
No, it's just add
Got the twin.
and put in new switches because I couldn't see it, so now I can see it, all the switches. So
Twin wide bands right there for both banks of the engine.
yeah, I had to do the angle because the way the wire was coming. If I do it straight, it will bend and it will be touching. So I didn't want to break nothing. So
Got you.
I can see it right there. So yeah, hopefully I get a new steering wheel. Yeah, what with grain.
Wood grain,
Wood
man.
grain, people
You
make
fancy.
fun. Hey, it was only $20, so
Hey, if it works, it works,
it
right?
works. It does the job. So yeah, but all right, well let me start it.
Yeah, let's start this joker up. I'm probably gonna die of fumes in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna move it back. So.
I'm excited. Let it warm up a little bit.
You got a gas?
Oh, it's out of gas?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, the turbos are spinning. You can hear them. They're still spinning down.
Not even a ball bearing, just a journal bearing.
Yeah, they finally just stopped.
Yeah, that's pretty good. It's what, 4 seconds?